Hey everyone, today we're going to make smoked sausage with cabbage and potatoes. Let's go ahead and get started on that. I'll begin with peeling the outer leaves of the cabbage off, and I'll cut that up. And I don't like mine shredded lengthwise. I like it more in chunks, so that's how I'm going to cut mine. And there I'm taking the core out. And then I have a bowl of water that I'm going to put this cabbage in and soak it for about a half an hour. And I'll have a quarter cup of vinegar in that water. After it soaks for half an hour, then I will rinse it again and drain it. And then I'm going to set that aside. Washing your vegetables with a water vinegar solution really does help clean them a lot better, and it also helps alleviate any bacteria. And you won't taste the vinegar at all. I'll give that a good stir and then set it aside to soak and go ahead and get started on the potatoes. You can use any potatoes you like. I'm using the gold baby potatoes. I believe it was Yukon Gold. I'm going to leave those whole. And right now I'm just giving them a good scrub in some good hot water. And I'm going to leave the peels on. And I'm going to cook these. I'm going to boil them in a pot until they're done through, till they're fork tender. And then I'll add those to the pot along with the other ingredients just to brown a little more. I'm going to rough chop about a half of a medium onion and 1 clove of garlic. And then I'll saute those in a pot of about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a couple tablespoons of butter. And I'll cook those for probably about 10 minutes until they're translucent. And then I'm going to add in the sausages. The sausages that I'm cooking are already pre-cooked. So basically I just want to get those browned and heated up a little bit. The only thing I had available was the beef sausage, smoked sausage. You can use whatever sausages you have. You can even use ground sausage if you prefer. And now I'm going to add in the potatoes that have cooked thoroughly. And I'll just let those fry until they're nice and brown. In the meantime, I've given the cabbage a second rinse and drained that well. And then I'm going to add that to the pot, and I'll add a little salt and pepper. Just add that to taste. I'm going to put the lid on that and cook that for 15 to 20 minutes, just stirring that occasionally. Just check your cabbage and stir occasionally until it's at your desired doneness. And it doesn't really take very long at all. And then here it is, it's done. I'm going to plate this up. So I hope you give this a try. If you do, let me know how you like it. Thanks so much for stopping by. And as always, I'll see you next time.